Did you know that certain breakfast meals can help you build muscle? Here are 4 of them. The last one might surprise you. Number 1, egg and avocado toast. Protein-rich eggs and healthy fat-loaded avocado on whole grain toast kickstart your muscle-building process. Number 2, Greek yogurt with berries and almonds. High-protein Greek yogurt, antioxidant-packed berries, and protein-rich almonds make a perfect muscle-building combo. Number 3, oatmeal with peanut butter and banana. Oats provide sustained energy. Peanut butter offers protein and healthy fats, and bananas are rich in potassium for muscle function. Number 4, protein smoothie with spinach, berries, and Greek yogurt. This smoothie is packed with protein, antioxidants, and iron. So if you're looking to boost your muscle growth, try these breakfast meals. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, follow, and comment below what other topics you want me to cover in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.